Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my closet. Today's video is gonna be super exciting because we are going to be doing a closet purge. It is much needed. We are packed to the brim here. I just recently placed an order for some new clothes. I'll probably give you guys a haul once those get in. But I think that it's time to get rid of some of the old to make room for some of the new. So stay tuned if you want to see all that. But before we get to that, I'm gonna need you to hit that subscribe button. Red button says subscribe. I'm gonna need you to hit it. We have a lot of fun here on my channel doing makeup, food, fashion, lifestyle, anything you could ever want. And if you enjoyed this particular video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Both of those things would really help me out and I would really appreciate it. So without further ado, let's start with this closet clean out. Okay, I think I'm gonna start with this back corner, which is my blazer collection. I'm probably gonna end up keeping most of them, but I think there might be a few in there that don't fit anymore, so I definitely wanna get rid of those. So, let's see. Okay, this blazer's super cute. It's Free People, and it kind of has like a kind of snake skin almost, but it's like a textured moment. Super cute, but it's a size small, and I'm more of an XL, so we're going to give her away. This is a really, really nice blazer. Nice shoulder pads. I wore this to give a final presentation my junior year of college. Good memories, but it's time to say goodbye. This one is too small. It's also kind of giving lab coat, so she's gonna go, and there's a matching skirt with it as well, so I'll donate both of those so that the set stays together. Also doing this clears up hangers, which is much needed. I'm always running low on hangers. So this is a clump of shirts that is stuck in the wrong place. This is very like work appropriate moment, so we'll keep her. Okay, this shirt is like, it's like ugly 2000s in the best way, like with beading and like this weird kind of like fake cowl neck and all the different patterns. And I love it, but would other people understand the vision? Like, would other people understand that this is like ugly cute, or would they just see it and be like, that's ugly ugly? You know what I mean? I'm gonna keep it because I haven't been able to wear it yet. I don't know, I just have faith that I can make it look cute. So we're gonna keep her. Okay, so I keep buying these like really shiny shirts at the thrift store because they're so like 70s and amazing, but I never know how to wear them or style them. But like they're so cool and vintage that I don't want to get rid of them. Like I have it in blue, I have a silver one, and I have like a neutrally one somewhere, and I don't really wear any of them. But they're so amazing. I don't think I'm ready to say goodbye yet. Okay, now let's move on to dresses. Automatically, I'm pulling this one out. It is adorable. I love it so much, but it's definitely too small. I wore this to a function for my sorority at some point, so I got a good wear out of her. I got some cute pics out of it, and now it's time for someone else to have her. I bought this at Target like a year ago, but I don't really like it, so I don't really know why I bought it. I wore it once to my first day of work, I remember, but I don't really like it anymore, so I'm gonna donate it. I really love this pink little Playboy unitard thing, but it's a size 10 and I'm more like a 14, 16, so she's gonna go, but I really, really like her. I have another pink dress, this like exact fabric, and I like the cut of that one better, so I don't really feel the need to have two pink dresses that look kind of exactly the same, so I'm gonna donate this one. It's from H&M. I wore this dress to a wedding and I didn't really love how it looked on me. I don't even know if it fits. Let's like throw it over and see. Ooh, I don't even think she fits anymore. Donate. Are you supposed to like keep graduation robes? Like, what do you do with graduation robes? Did you keep them for the memes? Let me know in the comments. Okay, so we finished dresses. I'm not doing great right now, but like clothes are really hard for me to get rid of because I have such an emotional attachment to them. So even just getting rid of like a couple of pieces is good for me, I feel like, but I'm just not great at it. Okay, these shiny shirts, I have a red one, I have this like nude one. I don't really wear red. Like, as you can see, there's pretty much no red in my closet. So I'm gonna get rid of the red one. I think I'm gonna do that confidently because I don't know where I'd wear it, but it is sick. It is like a really cool shirt. So someone is gonna have a good time with it. But I feel like I could style the nude one in a cool way. I think I'll keep this one. I got this in a thrift haul in Paris. And it is really adorable, but it is wool and it's pretty itchy wool. Oh, it's actually acrylic. Well, it's really itchy acrylic and it is thick. And I just don't think that North Carolina is offering me the chance to wear this. It is so cute, it really is, and it really hurts my heart, but I think I'm gonna donate it. Okay, I bought this because it has a cool pattern, but I don't know why I keep buying button-ups because I don't wear them and I don't know how to style them. Like, I think I was gonna layer a slip dress over it. Maybe that would be cute, actually. Is that cute? Would I wear that? I don't know. I don't think I like it enough to keep it. I just lost a nail in the donation bin, so now I have to dig through it to find it. Again, with the button down, I just see a cool texture and I'm like, I need it. But I don't need it. I don't wear it. I don't need it. This is just like a Forever 21 shirt that I don't really wear anymore. It's cute, but just like doesn't get much wear, so donate. This is like a Topshop. It's supposed to be like a t-shirt dress, but I think I might have shrunk it too much where it's not really a t-shirt dress anymore. But maybe I'll like just crop it and turn it into like a little crop top, so maybe we'll keep that one. Okay, so that was all the tops. Now we're going to go to pants and skirts, and I'm guessing that I probably have a lot of these that don't really fit anymore. So let's just go ahead and dive in. I love these brown trousers. I'm gonna try them on. I don't think they fit anymore. Oh, this skirt I got for the thrift or not video that I made, and it ended up being too small, so we'll donate that. Super cute though. This is a size 12 J. Crew pencil skirt. I don't know where this came from, but I'm gonna donate it. I love these cool like shiny khaki pants. I believe they're from Zara, but I'm guessing they're too small. I'll try them on, but I'm pretty sure they're too small. Okay, this is also from the Thrift or Pass video, and I have not worn them yet. I kind of forgot about them, so they're just sitting in my closet taking up space, so I'm gonna donate them back. These are really cool, like shiny reflective pants. Not sure if they'll fit. We'll try it. This is a cheetah midi skirt that we'll try, because I already have another cheetah midi skirt, so maybe I should just donate that one, because I don't think one person needs two cheetah midi skirts. I love this Zara skirt so much. I've gotten so much wear out of it, but my booty kind of pops out the bottom, and that's not the look, so donate. That's sad for me. I really like that skirt. All right, so let's try on these bottoms and decide which ones I'm gonna donate. The pants fit, the like kind of rain pants. They're not rain pants, but whatever they are, they fit. Okay, so the brown trousers did fit. I don't know why I thought they didn't for some reason, but they do fit, so I'm gonna keep those. But the really cute like shiny cargo pants from Zara are too small, so I'm going to donate those. All right guys, so that was my closet clean out. I know it doesn't look like I made a difference at all. Like, it looks pretty much the exact same, but I filled this entire bin with stuff, and I think that's a really good start. Again, it's really hard for me to get rid of clothes, but I think this is, you know, a good haul to offer to the thrift gods so I can get some good juju in return, you know? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll probably do another one when I start bringing out my summer wardrobe more because she needs a purge every season. So, but yeah, let me know if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you did enjoy. And that's all I have for you guys today. So stay on fleek, friends. Bye.